Okay guys, now that you know how to find the 5-number summary, we need to get into making the box and whisker plot. So once you've found your 5 numbers, you're just going to need to graph them all on a number line, right? Making the box and whisker is not so difficult. You just need to get it on a number line. So first of all, we're going to draw us a nice straight line. Boom, right there. I want it to be a little bit thicker. Yep, that looks like it'll work. Boom. And we're just going to graph these 5 numbers. It really is just about these 5 numbers. Okay? So we have the minimum is at 3 and the maximum is at 20. So instead of using 3 though, I think I'm going to use 0. There you go. And we can make the top 20. That's no big deal. Now between 0 and 20, we need to divide it up evenly. So halfway between 0 and 20 is 10. So we want to make that about halfway. Halfway between 0 and 10 is 5. Halfway between 10 and 20 is 15. And then we can make the smaller marks as well. Now, if you use lined paper or grid paper, this will probably be a little bit easier. See. It's hard for me on the computer. I'm better on the board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoa, too big. Yeah, not so good at this here. I should probably find a number line online next time. Okay, but we're just gonna graph these 5 numbers on that number line. Well, above it really. So 3 is about here. And we're just gonna put a dot, and I actually want that dot to be a little bit larger. Let's increase the size of that dot. Boom, there we go. All right, there's 3 for our minimum. Okay, and our maximum is going to be at 20, so we just want to go right above that 20. Boom, dot. All right, I'm going to make this a little smaller again. Now our other 3 numbers, again, I'm just going to graph right above it. So the first quartile is 6. So just to the right of 5 is 6. So I'm going to put a dot there. Median is 10, right above this 10. And the third quartile is 12, which is a little bit less than halfway here. Okay? Now, if you remember from our picture above, the middle 3 numbers make a box, a rectangle. The median is the line in the middle, and then our maximum and minimums are these dots on the end, and we're just going to connect them with a line. Okay, so we're almost there. So we're going to make this rectangle, or not. Try again. We can do this, right? Rectangle through my dots. There we go. We're going to connect to the maximum, connect to the minimum, and then I want to draw a vertical line right through the median. So this is our minimum number here, minimum, right there at 3. Right there's Q1, which is 6. Here's our Q2 at 10, that's our median. The end of this box here is Q3. So you should be able to tell on the graph that it's 12. And then over here we have our maximum right over 20. Okay, I know it's a little difficult to read when I'm writing here, but it's the best I can do on the computer writing with the mouse. Okay, so now I want you to scroll down to this, well, not really scroll, but I want you to go to this problem here, get out a piece of paper, and make a box and whisker plot. Okay, remember you got to do your 5-number summary first. So make sure you follow both videos before you try out your example. Okay, good luck, and I'll see you in a minute.